This video is to introduce you to the Pencil Studio. So you should be now starting on your studio experiments and you understand what they are. And the first studio that's going to open is the Pencil Studio. There might be other studios open later, but right now we're going to start with just one studio open. So in order to start using the pencils, you need to watch the video about this Pencil Studio. And I'm going to introduce you to all the items that are here in the studio. Okay, so we've got erasers. Each eraser has your class number. So if you need an eraser, you're going to use this class number. There are 5 sharpeners here. All the sharpeners, you never use an electric sharpener for any of the pencils in the Pencil Studio. So if you need to sharpen any of the pencils here, you should use this sharpener. We've got a grayscale value finder, and then we'll go over what that is later, but it basically shows you the darkness and lightness of things. There are blending sticks. There are eraser shields. And there are ebony pencils in this one part of the Pencil Studio. Okay? There are 3 trays. The next tray is your drawing pencils. So the blending sticks and the eraser shields that you just saw go really well with these drawing pencils. You'll notice on the drawing pencils there is a letter for each pencil. 6B, 4B, 2B, 2H, 4H, HB. There are 7 of each kind of pencil in the each container. So when it's time to clean up, there should be 7 put back in each container. If there's not, then we can't choose our seats for the next day. The other pencils that we have are colored pencils. These are nice Prismacolor pencils. They're going to probably feel different than some of the other pencils that you've had. They blend really nicely. But they are divided into warm colors, your reds and yellows and oranges, and cool colors, your blues and greens and purples, and neutral colors, your browns and grays and blacks and whites, okay? So at the end of class, you should put them back in the right order, and the tools captain should come and make sure that everything is there, okay? So this is the Pencil Studio. The next thing you're going to do, now you know where it is. It's over here by the green bookshelf. The other thing I wanted to show you in the green bookshelf is that there are lots of nice drawing books that you might want to come and look at as you're experimenting with these pencils. So there's like fashion drawing, there's cars, there's graffiti, there's all kinds of cool stuff that if you want to grab one of the books as you're experimenting, please do so. If everyone does their job and these tools are all back as they were when you start class, then you'll be able to choose your seat again tomorrow after the do now. So make sure when you come up, you're just getting a couple of things that you need. You're not taking the whole tray. The tray stays here. You're just getting a couple of things to experiment with, and you're going back to your seat. So if you understand where the studio is and the Pencil Studio, you're now going to watch Create New Discoveries to know what your assignment is, what you're supposed to do with these tools.